الرحمن الرحيم مالك يوم الدين إياك نعبد وإياك نستعين اهدنا الصراط المستقيم صراط الذين أنعمت عليهم غير المغضوب عليهم ولا الضالين. In the name of Allah, the most compassionate, most merciful, all praise is for Allah, Lord of the worlds, the most compassionate, most merciful, Master of the Day of Judgment. You alone we worship, and you alone we ask for help. Guide us along the straight path, the path of those you have blessed, not those you are displeased with, or those who are astray. Our prayers. O Allah, the one who bestows blessings upon us. O Allah, we gather here today to mark a new beginning for our city of Mississauga. We seek your guidance, wisdom, and mercy in this endeavor. Bless, O Allah, this city hall of Mississauga, a place where decisions will be made and efforts will be undertaken for the betterment of our community here in Mississauga. Grant those who serve here the strength to uphold justice, the courage to seek truth, and the compassion to serve all members of our community with fairness and dignity. O Allah, make this place a beacon of hope, unity, and progress. O Allah, help us to work together in harmony, transcending differences and focusing on the common good. O Allah, guide our leaders to make decisions that promote peace, prosperity, and the welfare of all citizens and all the people of Mississauga. O Allah, fill their hearts with righteousness, their minds with wisdom, and their actions with integrity. O Allah, protect our city, our country of Canada, our province of Ontario, and our beloved city of Mississauga. Protect all from harm, and bless it with security, prosperity, and happiness. May it be a place where every individual feels valued and respected, and where the principles of justice, equality, and compassion thrive. O Allah, we ask for your blessings, mercy, and guidance in all our endeavors. Accept our prayers, Ya Allah, and make this inauguration, the beginning, the declaration of this office, a source of positive change and development for our beloved city of Mississauga. Amen.
Amen.